I was experiencing pain, bleeding, a lot of discomfort. Had to watch what I ate. And it was, even though I had gotten to the dentist and she was looking at it and referred me over here, it was something that I felt that I had to do because my quality of life was just, it wasn't there. From the time I walked through the door, I was comfortable. They made me feel that way. They didn't know me, you know, and it wasn't what they were asking, it was how they were asking it. It was more of they wanted to help me, and I got that feeling. So by the time, you know, we get through with everything up front and we get back to the chair, and I'm laying there and he comes back, starts looking at things. You know, he got through with his exam. We sat down, we started talking. He was looking at, you know, what could we do to fix this? And his response was the LANAP procedure. You know, take the laser, go in, get all the bad stuff out. So next thing I know, 3 hours later, we've got it all done, all in one setting instead of multiple settings. And he didn't have to do that because we already had it set up for multiple settings. But for me, it worked out better because now he's in there, he's got everything going, he's got time. Literally 3 hours later, we had all 4 quadrants done. This picture, 2 things pop out to me. One, you look at my gums and they're pink. My gums were not pink before. And the color and just the healthiness of them are so much better in this picture than what we had before. If you saw one before, you'd see all the dark colors. You would see the bone structure of my jaw and stuff. Whereas now you see a little bit, but you see how it's filled in. The second thing about this photo is the implant that he did in front here. Can you tell which tooth he replaced? People can't. And you know, I have to look sometimes, and even though it's reverse in the mirror, I have to remember, I know we did feel which one it is, but the gum grew back around it just like it should. And it's just, as you can see here, this to me is a normal, healthy looking mouth.